And at bat, it's the big O, baby. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to talk about here in today's video is QUBT. Even though that we have seen a major retracement here during yesterday's trading day and here in today's pre-market hours, I do feel as though that this thing is going to see a positive reaction at the open. Stick around, guys. I'm going to give you my price prediction for today. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out QBTS, which is in the same sector, which also did see a correction here yesterday as well, and it's bleeding over here into today's pre-market. With that also being said, I do feel as though that QBTS is in the same boat as QUBT, with a turnaround right ahead. But with QUBT in a better situation, basically the likelihood is much higher that QUBT will see the turnaround at a much wider range of gain. Now, if we take a brief look and check out that volume of 122 million here yesterday, it seems as though that we may actually break that here on today's trading. Now, a lot of this retracement and a lot of these corrections that we have been seeing here in the market last week and this week, ladies and gentlemen, is solely due to it's at the end of the year, and a lot of people are basically selling their positions for tax purposes. So a lot of people are selling bad positions as tax write-offs, and people are locking in on those gains before the next fiscal year. So with that being said, that's why we're seeing retracement across the quantum space as well as AI because of the major bull rally that they were in case you were wondering what trading platform I am using, it is called Moomoo. If you do want to sign up for Moomoo, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone these perks you see here on the screen. All you have to do is make your initial deposit of only $100. But not only will you get 15 free stocks, but for those that don't know how to read indicators or charts, don't worry, Moomoo have you covered with the interpretations of indicators chart. This easy to use tool makes it very simple on understanding whether a stock is bearish or bullish. And you will also see me refer to this chart quite often in my videos. So again, using my sign up link while signing up for Moomoo, you get a lot to gain and nothing to lose. Recently in. But like I told you guys in yesterday's video, do not panic because this retracement is a healthy one and it's just a correction. So I hope you took advantage and you didn't panic. If we take a brief look and just check out the current active buy and active sell here for today's pre-market trading. And if you made it this far in the video, can you please comment in the comment section below the words "still here with you, Obi"? The comments really do help the channel grow, guys. Let's see if we can get over 100 comments here in today's video. Now, as you guys can see here, that active buy is extremely high in comparison to the sale, but that neutral is dwarfing the buy, which is basically stopping a lot of momentum here in QUBT here currently. If we do see that active buy pick up here in today's pre-market hours, it's more than likely that we're going to challenge that upper around that $14 levels. I do feel as though if that does take place, we're going to ride the upper for a bit. And if we do see a positive reaction at the open, then a short cover is possible to take place due to the fact that those short positions taken here on yesterday and is being carried over here on today's trading, that profit window is starting to close, which ultimately puts closing force on those shorts. Now, my price prediction here for QUBT, ladies and gentlemen, stands at, before I give you that though, I just want you to take a brief look at QBTS because it has very strong similarities. As you guys can see here, recently just crossed that mid Bollinger Band here on the 15. That is looking extremely bullish to challenge this upper as well. We do see the SAR crossing that Bollinger upper. If we do actually flip that SAR while riding that upper, ladies and gentlemen, that is a huge bull flag for QBTS. But that's not all. Just like QUBT, if we do see a positive reaction here at the open, it's more than likely we're going to see a short cover during today's trading. You have to take in consideration the huge total short volume here these last 3 days of trading. Okay, going back to Tuesday, 26 million shares were sold short here on Wednesday, 35, and here yesterday 16 million. We did get a drop in total short volume due to falling short sale restricted here yesterday. With that being said, today's entire trading day will be SSR for QBTS as well as QUBT. Both of these stocks has fallen 10% lower than the previous close, which means short orders will only be able to be filled on the uptick. Now, that doesn't mean shorts can't short. It just means those orders can only be filled on the uptick, no longer the downtick, which ultimately helps the suppression, stops the suppression of a share price through aggressive short selling. So a lot of people tend to say SSRs don't matter, but ladies and gentlemen, it really does. I have shorted plenty of stocks, and when SSR days come about, things get a little bit more, should I say, tricky, should I say. But with that being said, QUBT, same boat. If we do see that adequate buying pressure here rolling into the open, it's more than likely that QUBT may revisit those $18 levels, and that is my floor. But if that doesn't take place, this thing is headed back towards sub $10 levels, ladies and gentlemen, here pretty quickly due to the fact that it was severely overbought. But we're comfortably under that upper, which is a great sign. We may find ourselves in a bottom consolidation here pretty soon for a few days, but I will keep you guys informed on that. Back to QBTS. And like I said before, guys, if you're currently holding the stock, can you please comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below? Again, it helps the channel grow. Now, the exact same thing, guys. Same price action that we're looking for here throughout the pre-market, well, heading into the open. The pit force on those short positions, carried over short positions. But again, if we do see a positive reaction here at the open in QBTS, it's more than likely we're going to see a short cover throughout the trading day. And if that does take place, I do feel as though that QBTS stands a very great chance to visit those $7.40 levels, and that is my floor. But if that doesn't take place, ladies and gentlemen, QBTS is headed back towards sub $4 levels faster than you can count. So with that being said, guys, if you do agree with anything I said in this video so far, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, if you do plan on being in today's live stream, well, attending it, can you please comment? We'll see you there in the comment section below. I want to see if we can get at least 25 of those in the comment section below, so we can get a little insight on how big this live stream is going to get. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the games be. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord. The sign up link is in the description below.